Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best mouthwash that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Therabreath Fresh Breath Mouthwash. The first mouthwash on our list is our best choice product. We think Therabreath Fresh Breath Oral Rinse is the all-around best product on this list because it ticks all the boxes. It's one of America's best-selling oral hygiene treatments for halitosis and is approved by the ADA, American Dental Association. It is primarily designed to stop bad breath, which it does by working on the sulfur-producing bacteria that is the cause of halitosis. However, it doesn't just work on halitosis. It improves bad breath caused by morning breath and food odor as well. This natural mouthwash doesn't contain any alcohol, which means that you won't experience that burning sensation. Plus, it's registered vegan, kosher, and gluten-free, so it can be used by pretty much anyone. The company was started in 1993 by Dr. Harold Kutz, who created the product to cure his own daughter's bad breath because nothing else worked. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Listerine Total Care Anticavity Mouthwash. Listerine is one of the big brands in the dental hygiene industry. They do make toothpaste, but they are best known for their mouthwash. The Listerine Total Care Anticavity Mouthwash isn't aimed at people with bad breath. Instead, it is designed to prevent cavities, strengthen your teeth, and leave your mouth feeling refreshed. It is rich in fluoride, which kills the germs that cause problems in your mouth. It's great value for money at only around $6 for 1 L of mouthwash. That means you're not going to be rushing to the store every week to replace it. In fact, it should provide you around 7 weeks of cleaning, which makes it our best value product on this list. At number 3, we have the CloSYS Original Unflavored Mouthwash for Sensitive Mouths. The CloSYS Original Unflavored Mouthwash for Sensitive Mouths is another mouthwash approved by the ADA. This one is designed at people that suffer from sensitive teeth and find normal mouthwashes difficult to use because of the burning sensation. It's an alcohol-free mouthwash, which is why it doesn't burn your mouth when you take it. If that isn't enough, it's also sulfate-free, triclosan-free, and gluten-free. They boast that it kills 99.9%, which means it should work effectively against bad breath and other dental hygiene issues. The main difference between this mouthwash and others is that it contains chloralstan, a patented ingredient that kills the sulfur compounds that are the cause of bad breath and also prevents gum disease. At number 2, we have the Colgate Peroxyl Mouth Sore Rinse. Our final mouthwash is all about promoting a healing effect rather than tackling bad breath. This great-tasting, mild mint mouthwash from Colgate contains Peroxyl, which is highly effective at facilitate healing and prevent infection. It's perfect for use with minor oral irritations, including gum inflammation, oral sores, as well as mouth burns. Thanks to a unique oxygenating action, it helps to dislodge and remove oral debris. Used in conjunction with a daily regimen of brushing and flossing, it can provide exceptional results and lead to a much healthier mouth, minimizing inflammation. The alcohol-free formulation is even suitable for patients with sensitive mouths, plus it tastes great too. If you have to wear dentures or orthotic devices and regularly suffer from inflamed gums, then this solution will be perfect for you. And finally, at number 1, we have the Crest 3D Whitening Fresh Mint Flavor Mouthwash. Crest is another big name in the dental hygiene world. They've been around since the 1950s and are one of America's best-loved toothpaste brands. So, when they come out with a mouthwash, you know it's going to be a good one. The Crest 3D White Lux Glamorous White Mouthwash is aimed specifically at people looking for a whiter smile. It contains Crest's White Lux technology that whitens up teeth by removing surface stains and protects against future stains. It should be used alongside a Crest 3D White toothpaste for maximum effect. This whitening mouthwash should start to whiten up your smile within 2 days. It should have some effect against bad breath and will help to prevent bacteria buildup, but it is not designed for this purpose. This is specifically for people looking to improve the whiteness of their teeth. It's the best whitening mouthwash on the market. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.